In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy Nike shoes online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Browsing through all of the models of shoes and sneakers that Nike offers and purchasing them online for pickup or delivery is extremely simple. All that you have to do is visit the Nike website. So through a web browser on your computer, as I'm doing here, or on your phone, open up a web browser and go to Nike.com. When you arrive at this page, you will be able to browse through all of the items that they have, including shoes. So I recommend that you use the function at the top of the screen to filter them. You will have new and featured. You can go over to the men's section, women's section, kids, and other options. If you go into new and featured, you can usually find new arrivals, and also you have the option to filter for only shoes. You can browse through specific models, as you can see, so you have the typical and classic Air Jordan 1s, Air Forces, the Dunks, etc. You can browse through all of them here, and once you find one that satisfies you, just click on it to get more details about the item. You will be able to browse through pictures at the left side of the screen. You can see the rating, see the price, if there are any exclusive promotions going on. You can select the size and the colors, and if this satisfies you, all that you have to do is go ahead and add to bag after you select the size. You can check the size guide for more information. I'm not going to cover that in this video, but if you need to, double check this before purchasing. Once you select a shoe that suits you, just go ahead and add to bag. You don't have to proceed to checkout right away. You can add multiple shoes to your bag if you wish and purchase them all at once. So once you are ready to finish your purchase, once you added everything to your bag, it is going to appear at the top right corner of the screen and you just have to proceed to checkout. In checkout, you are going to have to fill three things: the delivery options, the payment, and then review the order. You can choose between pickup, like I mentioned, or ship. Like I said in the beginning, while you have the option to do pickup, I'm just gonna do ship in this video because I expect that you want to complete your purchase fully online and receive it straight to your address. So choose between home or office or APO/FPO and include all of your contact information. So the first name, last name, your address, city, state, postal code, and then email and phone number. With everything included here, save and continue, and you will reach the payment section after you select the shipping costs. Usually, cheaper shipping will arrive later, but if you pay more for shipping, it is going to be express. Once you continue to payment, review the price at the top right corner of the screen, make sure that you are aware of the shipping costs and any included tax, and you will be able to choose between all of the payment methods. You can even include gift cards, product vouchers, or promo codes, and as soon as you choose any of the payment methods listed here, you will be able to proceed and finish this order. For this video, unfortunately, I'm not going to complete the order, but from this point onwards, all that you have to do is fill out the necessary information. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy Nike shoes online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.